Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Education and Employment. Today we have an exciting opportunity to share with all of you, especially those who are interested in social science research. The Indian Council of Social Science Research ICSSR has announced its internship program for 2024. This is a fantastic chance for aspiring researchers and scholars to gain hands-on experience in the field of social science. ICSSR is inviting application for 25 full-time internship position at their headquarters in New Delhi. This internship will last for a duration of 6 months, during which selected candidates will receive a fixed stipend 25,000 rupees per month. Education qualification candidates must completed MA or MSc with minimum 55 percentage marks or an equivalent grade in any social science, humanities, interdisciplinary studies from a recognized university or institution. Applicants should possess a sound understanding of research methodologies, statistical tools, and data analysis and social sciences, along with the communication skills. Proficiency in MS Office applications is essential. The ideal candidate shall demonstrate strong organizational abilities and a keen willingness to learn. Candidates must have to submit online application available this website. Completed applications can be submitted up to 26 August 2024. The internship is located in Delhi head office. There is no residential facility at ICSSR premises. Therefore, candidates shall make their own arrangement. The intern shall be expected to work on offline mode for 40 hours per week, Monday to Friday, timing 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m., including half an hour lunch break. They will be entitled for 1 day leave per month. Only shortlisted candidates will be invited for the interaction. And if you have any query regarding this internship program, then you can visit this website and like our channel and subscribe our channel. Thank you.